All right, team. Saturday morning. Twilight Dawn? I don't even think that's Twilight Dawn. I don't know. You guys want the front? Get a nice view in the light. Ugh. Oh my God, I don't have enough muscles to do this. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, I've been keeping this outside because last week we had that super stanky grass in it. Yeah, it's still pretty stanky. Oh wow, that really smells. All right, there you go. Oh, hey, the red blinking star is white. We've talked about this before. At night, it's red, but during the day, it flashes white. I'm not sure the magic in that. That's the way it happens. All right. It is a rock star party so far. No, I got off work. I'm running late. That's why it's so light out. So it probably would have been a dark dawn if I would have come home at my regular time, but I got here late. So we got lawn care to do. That's about it. We're probably taking a short break, probably not taking a fat break because we could be going shortly. It will be light enough out we could work. And we still got that tree. There's a nice view of the tree here. That one. That guy. Maybe we'll do that this weekend. Maybe we can make that happen. Because it definitely has still not budded out or leafed out, or it's just dead. I'm not sure what happened. I think last time we talked about it, there's that split in the trunk. Wow. Anyway, at the base there's a split. Oh, my finger's gonna be huge if I do that. Goes about 3 feet up, about half the fence there. And I was told that when that happens, the tree froze and it made it crack, and that's why it died, because the tree internally froze somehow. Which I still don't know if that's true. There's a bunny. See him? Anyway, we'll probably be taking a short break, so I should probably cut this part short so we can do a short break. Anyway, I will get back with you when something happens. All right, team, we're back. This is that one that we trimmed up all the dead stuff on. It has greened out, and we're going to be after that guy up by the top there. I think last time we talked about it, I didn't realize till after we trimmed it all that there was still a couple more dead ones, but now it's much more obvious. Anyway, I don't know how far up that is. It's got to be 25 feet. Anyway, we'll see what we can get done here. Alright, team, I can't see my phone screen. It's gone. I don't know where I was standing before. A little bit of dead stuff way at the top, but I was going to leave that because I got to get this in the trash somehow. Yeah. Anyway, we'll work on that. All right, team. I got it. And then long haul came and mowed. A little bit of dead stuff up at the top, but there's a lot of green in there too, so I'm not gonna mess with it. This tree's got a better shape as well. And there's a big nest. I don't know if it's a squirrel. I'm guessing it's squirrels. Can you see it? I can't see my phone screen, but big clump of leaves and whatever. I couldn't tell what it was, so I didn't want to knock it down. But I was suspicious it was squirrels. Anyway, it looks like there are a few more sticks I could be picking up. I think we're gonna head off to the next one, because I've been here longer than I wanted. I'll catch up with you in a few. Woo! Saturday evening. I wonder if there'll be wind noise. Got a severe thunderstorm coming through. Anyway, we did all our rental maintenance earlier when it was beautiful out. And then it got up to like 90 degrees and it was pretty muggy. Actually, it wasn't muggy. I'm in Colorado. It was pretty dry, but it was hot. We did our errands. What else did we do? Came home, ate. I took a nap. I've been back up for a while. Apparently there are baby bunnies under there. Bucky got one, and Luna had to put him back under there. You know, if it gets windy enough, maybe I won't have to cut that tree down. But this is the kind of, ooh, can you guys see that? Oh, lightning. Wasn't for the wind, I think the storm already passed me. But that's why I want to cut the tree down. Big wind like this, you know, dead tree. God, look at that guy. Looks a lot more dramatic in person than it does on my phone. Oh, I guess we'll sit down. About tripped over the stool thing. Anyway, we finished everything up. I still got some more stuff I'd like to get done. I have to watch this and see if the lightning comes through. It definitely cooled stuff down. I think it's dropped like 10 degrees in the past like 20 minutes. Well, I don't know. Maybe most of it's just the wind chill from the air. Oh, looks like I'm gonna have to cruise around the yard and pick up trash. The wind's blowing some stuff in. Anyway, I think I'm gonna have to put something around there so they can't get the baby bunnies out. Luna was thinking just stack a few cinder blocks along the edge of there, because they can get out. They can get out there, all around the side, all around the other end. So we're thinking like just put the stuff on this side, and then let them go out the other end, over by that trash can. Woo! Anyway, obviously, right now is not good. It's too late. It's a little windy. Wow, it's bright. But I would like to get the tree done this weekend. I assume you guys can hear that. Excuse me. Oh, I just got hit.
Not much rain, but there are a few drops. Just starting. Anyway, I think we're gonna call it a video. We did top that tree earlier, which you should have already seen. I'm gonna call that tree done, unless somebody tells me it's not done. There's that last little bit right at the top, but there's also a whole lot of green still mixed in with it. So I was just gonna leave it for now. Yeah, I get to watch this. All that the lightning's coming through. And I assume you can hear the thunder, but I don't know. Oh, they got bigger drops. Still not very many of them, but bigger drops. Anyway, let's call that it for you and me. If anything, oh, maybe I'll film the tree and we can do it as a special video, or we can do it next week or whatever. Or maybe I won't get to it, but I really would like to get it done. Now I'm getting blasted. Now it's really starting to rain. Or sprinkle hard. The wind just, woo, there it goes. Wow. Yeah, I got a lot of dirt in my eyes. Cause I got the third bay and the fourth bay open, so it's just ripping through here. It's just blasting right out the other side. I'm gonna shut this door because it's getting really whatever now. Yeah, I don't think that tree's coming down. I'll be okay with it snapping the top off and dropping it. I just don't think it's quite dead enough though. The wind's gonna get it. Woo! Here comes another big blast. A little more lightning. A little more thunder. I don't know if you can see the windmill. It's spinning pretty good. Anyway, team, if something happens, I'll film it, send it to you sometime. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. See you next week, team.